Hey guys, if you are watching this video, then you're probably getting this error or the same kind of error, that is error 429, resource has been exhausted. Um, I think this is due to Kaggle servers being overloaded and they are not able to make API requests and things like that. I'm not so sure about the issue, but here's a workaround until they fix it. So what you have to do is go to your file explorer and create a new folder that could be named anything. I have named it Kaggle. If you have VS Code installed, you can press shift with right click and you can click on open with code, and then you can here do trust the authors. I will also show you how to open this in VS Code, how to open a folder in VS Code. Here you go on file, open folder, and wherever your folder is, just click on it and select the folder. I will be using CMD. Open your CMD, go into the folder and write CMD in the explorer, and it will open CMD in the same directory, so you don't have to do CD and things. So now I will be making an environment that is virtual environment, and I will be naming it python -m when, which is virtual environment. So we are creating a virtual environment. It will be created. Now you have to write the script, which I will be providing in the description. So all the scripts that I'm writing here will be in the description. So it's when /scripts/activate, and after that your virtual environment will be activated. Type pip install Google ADK, and if you want you can also write Google generative AI. Now this will be installing quite a lot of things, so hang tight, and it will take around 2 to 5 minutes depending on your PC speed and your internet speed as well. Now come back to VS Code and open a terminal. Here I've shown how you can open a terminal. You will see a window on the bottom of your VS Code when scripts activate. Now make sure you have it installed. You can also do it this way. I'm doing it this way, so this is showing all the requirements are already satisfied. So all we have to do now is create my agent. Now this will create an agent for us, like a full directory that will have our agent and all the code and necessary files to run it. And it will also require you to enter the API key, which I have told many times, I think, in the previous videos. So please refer to those videos, copy your API key and enter it. Here when it shows choose a model, for now we will choose Gemini 2.5 Flash. After you select the option, you will get another option that is choose model. So we will choose Google AI. Do not select Vertex AI. So now here when you will run ADK run my agent, you will see this error. So for this you will have to go to CMD, PowerShell, and run it as administrator. So after opening the PowerShell file explorer, wherever you have stored your file, and then select that directory by clicking on this search bar in file manager and control C to copy it. Come back to your PowerShell and write CD and then paste the path, and then you will be in that path, and make virtual environment, and then it should be working. And here you can see it is working. Now you can run whatever you want to run and code whatever you want. This is basically for this is basically the same thing, but you have to now do it on your own without having Jupyter Notebook and shift clicking every single cell. Now you have to write all the code in one place, and then based on that it will run on your terminal. And thanks for watching, guys. Happy coding. I hope they will fix this API issue soon, but yeah, for now you will have to work with this workaround. And if you do not have Python in your system, I will just link those video in the description as well, how to install Python and how to install VS Code. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day or night.